Dan Olds here. Winter Classic Invitational Student Cluster Competition. We're going to get to know Team Morehouse College. So let's start with you, Nicholas Williams. Since we have a couple of Nicholases here, what's your deal? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
So how's it going, everybody? I'm a senior computer science major at Morehouse College. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, born and raised. But what got me into the cluster competition was the high performance computing class at Morehouse. It's a CS4 level elective. And a requirement for that class is to be involved in this program here. So I'm pretty excited.
Kidding.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Very cool.
About it.
Yeah. Yep. So we got Gary Scott, although his name is spelled Jerry. I'm just going to say. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, hello, everybody. My name is Gary Scott. I am a junior computer science major. I also minor in math, and I actually have a focus for cybersecurity. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana. I'm a military kid, which is how I got here in Georgia in the first place. But when it comes to this competition, similar to Nicholas, I also got introduced from our high performance computing class. And I kind of took that class because, you know, my goal with cybersecurity is to one day write my own tools. Mm-hmm. So high performance computing pretty much gives me the opportunity to learn how to optimize my code and just make everything more efficient. So hopefully with this competition, I can put some of that knowledge in hand and actually have more practical use with it.
Nice. Parker, how about you?
Hi, so I'm Parker, senior computer science major from Brooklyn, New York. I was really looking forward to this class because of projects that I had started in the past. I had tried to make a computer myself from old
that's right,
that I salvaged.
That's right, yeah.
And I made a lot of progress, but I never really figured out how I would run it or even turn it on. And so once I saw that this class was offered, I was really excited. And then, like a lot of my peers, I needed an elective as I reached the end of my time here at Morehouse. And it just seemed like a great class by itself with a lot of really great opportunities and information. So, it's checked all the boxes.
Fantastic. And the secret that you'll find to making all of your systems work together is MPI, message passing interface. And that, when you start learning that, which you will or should be right now, that's going to answer a lot of questions for you. You're going to go, oh yeah, here's how it works. Very cool. So John, how about you?
Hello, my name is John Ali. I am a computer science mathematics double major from Stockbridge, Georgia. So I wanted to do quantum computing. Specifically, I want to work with quantum hardware to actually make a not theoretical quantum computer, because until a few years ago, quantum computers were very theoretical. There were no hardware. There wasn't any hardware for them.
Nope.
And so I saw an opportunity to learn more about supercomputers, which is the step right before quantum computing.
Yep.
And so that's why I decided to take the course, and how I was introduced into this competition.
The thing that's interesting about quantum computers is they're probably going to be deployed as like accelerators,
right,
with supercomputers fronting them. So, and quantum computers, not really a do-it-yourself project,
right?
Because you need to get down to like 100 minus 155 or something like that to get the superconducting, maybe even more. It's like deep space cold. So
you have to go way below.
It's got to be way below.
You go from the Fahrenheit scale, then you switch over to the Kelvin scale, and you keep on going to the.
It's a hell of a lot of degrees in the negative Kelvin. It's more than 155. That's the COVID vaccine. So that's what I was thinking of. So it's, yeah. So Nicholas Cummings, we come to you. What is up? Tell us about yourself.
So my name is Nick Cummings. I'm a senior computer science major from Miami, Florida. I just moved back to Atlanta. What kind of got me into this class is pretty similar to everyone else. I applied for the high performance computing class at Morehouse. So I got into it. Then I heard about the competition. But me personally, when I want to get out of it, is just learn how to optimize computers and execution of things. Because my focus and interest is blockchain technology.
Okay.
I'm really interested and fascinated with it. I'm learning Solidity right now. So I just want to learn how can those systems be optimized so that, as we develop Web 3.0 and all these other different decentralized technologies, which requires a lot of networking.
Yeah.
That could be applied and done differently and in better ways,
Yeah. Yeah. I kind of wished I'd gotten in on the blockchain early because I had enough computer performance to do it around the house, but did not get in early enough. Now it's an ASIC game in order to really make any money at it. Yeah. Yeah.
ASIC.
So, yeah, you need to have specially to do blockchain, right?
Right.
You need to do it economically because you have to be able to do it for under the cost of your electricity. And it's special design systems on a chip called ASICs, which are, it's a fancy name of saying, of calling, a specialized piece of hardware. But yeah, it's pretty much a game for ASICs and stuff. You can't do it with just GPUs anymore like you used to be able to. So have you guys been getting into the applications at all? Been firing up any hardware yet? Anything like that?
No.
You got
I don't
it,
think we've actually got our allocation yet from Azure. Like our professor that out, but I think he's going to do that this Tuesday.
Okay, that would be good. That would be good. Your sponsor is Microsoft and Intel, and they've got some experts lined up to help you out, which is going to be good. Have any of you taken a look at the applications yet, the workloads?
I haven't, not yet anyways.
You're going to be in the depth of competition in about 36 days. Come on.
I plan to, trust me.
It's prioritized. You've got that on your schedule?
Most definitely. As I said, because I'm pretty sure Tuesday is when a lot of this is going to start running and hitting the ground for us. And so that's kind of my big deadline of all this to really start off.
Okay, because you guys are going to have to go at this like rabid dogs in order to win. You've got to go hard on this. You got a lot to learn in not a whole lot of time. But now, have you all already taken the HPC class, or are you in the middle of it now?
We're in the middle of it now.
Okay, middle of it now. What have they been teaching you so far? Any particular topics you can mention?
They talked to us about MPI, of course, how they quantify or how they compare quantum computing, the algorithm that is used to compare quantum computing to see which one is more powerful than the other one. What is the way that they optimize matrix multiplication? They talked about how supercomputers are compiled or how they're made.
That's good.
To be made and the architecture behind it. That's what's coming to my brain right now from what I remember.
Okay. Were you guys a little surprised to find out that a supercomputer is really just a bunch of little computers that are easily understood, put together?
Yeah. I know the entire thing kind of caught me off guard. I never knew that before. So
yeah. Yeah, it really is. And it's good. I mean, it's a great way to be able to understand it. And it gets more complex from there when you start talking about message passing and application optimization and making sure I/O doesn't jam things up and stuff like that. But, you just have to not let the terminology blow you out of it. Google up those terms because you're going to typically find that they're pretty understandable. Good. Any questions? Any closing comments? Anything else? Let me ask you this, actually. How confident are you guys you're going to win? Anybody want to talk a little trash? Anybody want to come out and be brave?
We're very modest. We're very modest over here, but we will say that we will be coming with our very, very strong foot.
So
we came to fight, and as long as everyone else is, there'll be a competition.
Okay.
We speak for ourselves.
It's a level playing field. You're all going to have about the same size system. So it's yours if you want it. How bad do you want it? Yeah. That's the question to ask. Oh, Nick Cummings wants it bad. I like that. Well, thank you all for being here, for making time. Really glad to interview you and get to know you a little bit more deeply and to allow everyone else to get to know you more. We will talk to you soon. We'll probably do another 1 or 2 of these interviews. So thanks again and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
All right. Take care.
Have a nice day.
Yeah.